The choice is made. What does it mean to vote? People can vote to make a choice. Voting should be fair. People vote to choose leaders. They vote to choose the president and mayor. Students vote for class leaders. People vote for team captains. People vote to help leaders make choices. They can choose to make a park or a law. A group votes to make a fair choice. The class is doing a project. How will they choose an animal to study? The class can choose one animal. Now it is time to vote. Everyone can vote for the animal they want. The teacher counts the votes. They will study sharks. Each person gets to vote one time. The choice with the most votes wins. Voting is an important right. Voting is how some choices are made.